channel. My name is Brad. I decided to make a video on HelloFresh. I've been doing it for a couple months now and I love it. My cooking game has definitely gotten better, but it is just a fun way to try some new foods, learn some skills cooking. I'm going to unbox this and put it up, show you what they got, show you how they do things. Let's get to it. As you can see, today we are going to have crispy jack chicken. This is a good one. I actually had this last week. I believe it came in the mail.
Hey guys, this is Chef Brad here. Are you struggling?
All right, that's going to go in the blooper section. So I've only had one mess up, and that is where the UPS driver delivered it to the wrong house, and it was an elderly couple. And it sat on their front porch for a whole week. They never go out their front door, so they didn't know, and then they brought it to us a week later and it was rotten. That was the only bad experience, but that was the UPS driver's fault. It was not HelloFresh's fault. All right, as you can see, there are colorful recipe cards. They're very detailed instructions on the back, and the great thing about these recipe cards, that you can keep them. So if you ever stop doing HelloFresh, you have plenty of recipes. One of the side effects of doing HelloFresh, you just kind of learn some tricks, portion sizes, just different ways to kind of spruce up a normal meal, whether it's hamburgers or chicken. We're going to dive into crispy jack chicken, and it's going to be good. This is a good one. It's healthy. It's baked, so it's kind of like it's like a play on fried chicken, but it's not fried. All right, let's go. All right, so these are the materials. It says I need a oven pan. No, I'm gonna need a knife to cut the carrots and potatoes. Also gonna need to peel the carrots. 2 bowls. Some Reynolds wrap to put on the pan, and I got a couple cutting boards and the food's in here. So let's unpack it. All right, let's unpack this crispy jack chicken bag. So all the packages with the fruits, or not fruits, but the vegetables and things like that, come in a brown paper sack. We got 3 carrots. I think that 4 carrots. Nope, that is 5 carrots. Mayonnaise, ranch spice. So all this stuff is it's all labeled on what it is. Got a pack of sriracha. Looks like a sriracha bottle. More mayonnaise. Mozzarella jack cheese. Part of this potato looks to be rotten. Now I will say that's not happened yet, but I will salvage it and cut that side off. Just throw it away. All right, I got the ingredients washed. Potatoes and carrots. Want to cut this little piece off. This appeared to be rotten. And just throw it in the trash. All right, let's see what the first step says. So it says adjust rack to top position and preheat oven to 425 degrees. Wash and dry produce. Did that. Cut potatoes into 1/2 inch thick wedges. Trim peel. Cut carrots diagonal into 1/2 inch thick pieces. All right, let's get to cutting. All right, so I'm just going to cut them in fours like this. Just making little wedges like so. One thing I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Reynolds wrap onto the pan so it'll be ready. Alright, next up I'm going to peel these carrots, and then it says cut them into diagonal things, but I might just cut them into little bits. See the difference after you shave it. Alright, it's perfect timing. Just finished peeling the carrots and the oven's preheated, so I'm going to chop these bad boys up and we're going to get them cooking. Alright, next up. Alright, we're going to make the crust that goes onto the chicken. First I'm going to put these on the oven pan. This is where one of our small bowls will come into play. 1 tablespoon of butter in the microwave, 30 seconds. Alright, let's do that. Alright, I got my butter melted, and let's see if you can see that in there. I'm going to take the panko mix that it came with, half of this ranch seasoning, and all the cheese. I'm going to mix it all together with the butter. Alright, this will go on the chicken once we get it ready. Alright, let's go to the next step. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on this, throw it around, maybe put a little bit of seasoning, some salt and pepper, things like that. And we're going to toss it in the oven, 25 minutes. I like this salt. It gives it a little bit of color too, a little bit of texture to the eyeballs. All right. All right, let's get to the chicken. I got the chicken already thawed out in the refrigerator. The other meats I did. There we go. I have the other meats in the freezer. I don't know what my schedule. Something could happen. You just never know what might pop up. I got 3 children, so I'm I'm freezing the other ones, and if I plan on having that meal that night, I will just pull it out of the freezer, and it's typically thawed out by the time I eat dinner. So that's the only bad thing, like if you have a busy week and you don't get to all the meals. But if you can go onto the app or the website and skip a week where you don't pay for it. So that isn't always an option as well. All right, let's get the chicken open. Pat chicken dry with paper towel, season all over, salt and pepper, place on a plate. Spread tops of chicken with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise each. Use the rest later. Mound with the panko, I don't know how to say that word, Panko mixture, pressing firmly to adhere. All right, let's get to it. Always wash your hands after you deal with raw meat. All right, you got 2 chicken breasts here. All right, it says to pat dry, so I'm just going to do what it says. Just going to put this on top of it. In a second, we're about to add this to the tray along with the carrots and potatoes, and then that's pretty much it. Oh, I was supposed to put mayonnaise on it. Dang it. Hold on. Forgot the mayonnaise. It says 1 tablespoon. I'm just going to kind of guesstimate. Rub that on there. There we go. Yep. I have a huge mess. But it will turn out delicious. I know it will. Alright, got the chicken covered. Yeah, I forgot the mayonnaise, but then I took it off at it. Yeah, it all worked out. Now we're going to add the chicken to the pan and let it cook for the rest of the time. Use a spoon, push everything over. We'll add the chicken. Now we're going to make the sriracha sauce, which is really simple, and then all we do is wait. See, I'm going to replace this bowl with a smaller one. See, it's perfect right here. So we're just going to take this mayonnaise here. Get some different scissors that don't have chicken juice on it. Just going to add the mayonnaise. Then take our little sriracha bottle. Where's my focus? All right, take our little sriracha bottle here. Add this and stir it up. All right, see you in a second. All right, got like a minute left. I did take them out a couple times and like move them around, make sure they cook evenly. I got a couple on a fork here. Just want to make sure that they're done. You know, there's nothing like biting into a potato that's not finished cooking. So Carrot's not bad. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer though. Oh, it's hot. Jesus. All right. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer. And I just want to make sure that the potatoes are all the way cooked through. All right. All right, it's time. I think it's all ready. Woo. Looks sizzling. All right, looks ready. Looks ready. I'm gonna see if I can get it to match the picture and see what you think. All right, see that. Let's see if it looks anything like the picture and the big reveal. Whoosh. It's close. Chicken looks a little crispy, but it's gonna be good like that, I'm telling you. Yeah. And I just realized I forgot to put the rest of the ranch seasoning on the potatoes. Dang it. What did I do with it? Man, I think I threw it away. All right, anyways, it's gonna be a delicious meal. Let's go dig in. I'm an idiot. I forgot to season the potatoes with the rest of the ranch. So I'm gonna put some Slap Your Mama season on it. All right, got a fork. Get a little dip right here into the sauce. See potatoes done. Potatoes good. I'll tell you, a lot of these meals come with carrots. And I've never cooked carrots in the oven like this, but they're really good. If you'd like to see another video on a HelloFresh meal, leave a comment. If you want to try HelloFresh, I'll have a link where you can get a free box on your own, be 4 free meals, something like that. But I gotta eat. This is going to get cold if I stand here and talk too much. So leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I enjoy cooking. I think HelloFresh is maybe not for a long term, not permanent, but I think it's worth trying. So use my link in the description and get you some, man. Good stuff. All right, try something new. Peace out.
Perfect meal plan that the whole family will love.
All right, that's gonna go in the blooper section.
Thanks, Chef Rat.
Love you.
Love you.
I got the chicken